Nobody should be able to rent a boat. Period.
This is how we dispose the organic waste on the boat. This morning we are here at Gaios. We need to find the office to pay the pie. It's like the tax for
These old trucks. They sell fish. Oh, the cats are here. And that ironic little one is actually sleeping on the floor.
maybe this Gaios District Office Department. You know Greek? Okay. Hi guys, this morning we are here at Gaios. We need to do a couple of things. We need to, of course, take out the garbage and throw out the garbage. We need to find Max a new pair of Crocs because we don't know. You're walking barefoot. And the most important thing that we need to do is to find the office for paying the TPI, the navigation tax. It's been almost 2 weeks that I try to pay online, but it's impossible, so I have to find this office. The champion of anchoring. Voila! Wow!
If we don't hit those rocks, yes.
We move from Paxos to Antipaxos. That is a small island on the south, and we are here in this amazing place. I'm gonna show you where we anchor today. Look at the water. It's amazing. I'm gonna show you my backyard for a couple of days. There's nothing this man couldn't do it.
I don't even like fish.
Fantastic. It's delicious. Hi guys. about 6 or 7 hours sailing. Oh, over sailing because there's no wind at all. And I'm here because yesterday we see a turtle, and of course I didn't have my camera, and right now I'm here because I want to see one turtle, and I'm gonna show you. It's very rare to see a turtle, so maybe it will not happen, but I'm here waiting. A long canal to enter the bay, and it will be strange. It's been weeks that we are on small islands and small village, and will be the first big city in the continental part of Greece. So we see, back to the civilization. Right now. We are at Preveza, and it's been like a desert.
It's a ghost town.
There's no one. Everything is closed.
I haven't seen a Casio shop since forever. Like my best friend in Venezuela, his father had a Casio shop. I don't know. I think that's the last time I saw a Casio shop. What, 25 years ago?
Where is everyone?
I don't know.
I'm freaking out.
Everyone is dressed in black. Everyone. Even inside that shop there was a waitress dressed in black. Everyone from the city is dressed in black. There's something fishy going on here.
Hi guys, it's 6 in the morning and we are leaving Preveza to go to the canal of Lefkada, because right now it is only spot we have before the 40 knots of wind of this late morning, so we have to get there before the strong wind, and it's very beautiful. There's this light. This is an amazing light, and all the fishermen outside. It's very beautiful. right now we are about to enter the channel of Lefkas. We have to get there at the exact hour because it will be an open bridge, a floating bridge that open once every hour and stay open for about 4 to 5 minutes. So we have to get there in front of the line possibly, and we can anchor, so we have to stay still as possible and wait for the for the bridge to open. So we'll see what's happened.
Siamo dei fighi.
Captain, your first channel.
First channel. Channelino.
Channelino.
Ti dico, è il sensore di profondità lì che dice tu fai quello che vuoi a quanto pare.
How many centimeters of water we have right now?
So the funny thing is, under us there is 4 meters and a half, meaning 6 meters and a half. There, like literally, not there when we're in the air. There is 0.5. It's like stay in the channel. It's like stay in the channel. I am literally freaking out. Like, you see there, right there is 80 centimeters. That's all that it is. All that water there is not water. It's 80 centimeters. It's the same on the other side. You can walk. You can actually walk knee deep, not even waist, no, knee deep. You can walk knee deep in there. You probably did. At your ankles.
Wow!
This
What are you,
place,
Charlie? So many birds.
yeah. This place reminds me so much of our beloved Aprilia Marittima. It's the same situation of Aprilia Marittima, minus Marco, Christian, and Nicola. But really, this place reminds me a lot. It's the same thing. It's a channel, no water on the side. If you don't look at your map, you will like, I can go there. No, you can't.